Hello guys, and today I'll be telling you how to do or how to look like you just got beaten up or abused or whatever you want to call it. Okay, this is going to be really hard because my camera, but okay. So, I have all my makeup supplies with me, and you have to make it look more natural so you don't put any of foundation or anything. I know I was doing my makeup or anything, so you don't do any of that. But you have to get first thing I think is like a red, but I don't think I can find my red. So I think I'll be having, maybe I can use like a darker red, like a bright color, maybe. But I would have to see about that. I'll see if it works out first. Well, first things first, you have to look like it. Okay. So first, I'm getting this because I want to cover like the whole area right here. At least maybe like under it. Let's just see. First I have to see if it works out. I'm going to use my smaller brush first though. This side. Okay. So I was thinking about like doing like maybe a blue first. And I can, but I need my other palette. So now I have my Voltage palette. And you see there's way more colors. Okay. So I wanted a darker blue, like this one. Celestial. Let's just see if it works. Yeah, I think that'll work. So what I think is just yeah. And then obviously we're not just doing blue because that's not that good. But then I want like a lighter but darker, so I'm gonna blend Rain with Endgame, which is two different colors of purple. I'm just going to not put on the whole eye, just like under here and like above here. And then now I need a black, which obviously there's no black on here, so I'll have to reserve back to this palette and use the black right here. And there you go, that's one eye done. Now I'm going to clean this up, clean the eye up, make sure it's not as messy. I mean, it doesn't look that good, so I mean, just try doing like a little more darker colors, or could also try like squinting your eye, because it's not that dark, so like maybe a little bit red, right? Yeah, pretty sure I did red before. Like not that dark of red, like maybe a pinkish, so like it doesn't like And then like some red. Put down like the crease of the eye. But like not too much because then it's gonna like make this look more real. Just try doing that. That's one eye. And we can clean it up again. There you go. That's one eye. Now you don't want to do this eye that much. So just taking off my makeup from this. And then like try to put like a little bit red on this eye. Get like a swollen look. Take a darker red. Go on the outline of that. See how that makes it kind of look swollen. Trust me, it looks way better in real life. Okay, so next one. Exactly like I said before, I don't really have any reds. So that's why I'm going to try this out. Because obviously I did not try this. So like, let me get this open. Okay, got it open. You can just edit it. You don't put it inside your nose. Make sure not to do that. But like a brim of it. Yeah, I think that looks really good. Like one nozzle. Yeah. And again, get like, maybe this will work, yeah. And try to get like a red. Oh, for a second I scared myself. I thought I had a bleeding nose. Okay, and like, what I'm trying to do it now, I think I need a thinner one. So I'm gonna use the eyeshadow again. And I'm going to get some more red. Not too much though. And like, put it like, almost like so on my nose. And like, do this because it can't be that dark. So like, get some more, like, put some like light color on, or like dark. Yeah, I think that looks good. That looks more like you just got hit in the nose. Okay. And then I kind of want to go for like a lip thing. I'm gonna do my lips first, and then I'm gonna do my face. I'm kind of thinking of doing like a side thing right here. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Then I'm gonna get my little makeup thing again, like this. This is getting really handy in this. And you're gonna get like I'm gonna get this one because I think that's like a good enough one. I'm going to like put that on the side on my lip right here. Kind of look like I just got like hit in the mouth. I think that's like a little too much. Kind of just going for the corner. So I'll take that off. Okay. And I'm gonna retry that one. Okay, first time I think that's sticking to the lipstick too much, so I'll put the lipstick on after. And then now I'll try it. And this time I'm going for this palette because I think that this blue will go better with it. And I'll try to get it. And I'll try to put it like more on the outside of my lip, but not too much. Because it's not going to be that much out. They're going to get like some of the black. Get that. And then like a lighter purple, I think. Maybe this will work out. I stuff like that. And now you get the lipstick. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit more on to make it look like more like blue. So now it looks more like blood, right? Okay. And now I'm going to get most people don't go for like a darker one blush, but it's gonna go like over here. Wait, oops. I want to do this. It's gonna go like over here. So I'm getting, I think I have like a gray, so like I'm gonna try to do that with like the blackish. I'm just gonna do black. And I'm going to try to go like right on the cheek bone a little bit. Like a little bit off, but a little bit on. And I'm gonna try to darken it up. Like over here, right here. Right there. And then I'm gonna get some blue. And like some purple right there. A little bit more black because I want it to look a bit more like an actual bruise. I might just for a little bit more. Let's do like a lighter red, like right here. This is blush, so like kind of deserves to go right there. Let's try that. And you still want to look really dark, so it has to be like black. And if it doesn't look that good, then try adding on a blue, like more blue, and a purple more to the outside, and like a lighter purple out to the outside. I'm trying to like smear that around a little bit. Try not to get too dark or too light. And now, if you really want that good, you can push back that and get your blood, which is my makeup, my lipstick right here, and get it right. Like trying to create, like, as you can see, I had to, yeah. Okay. to get it like more to the roof of your head. Like that. And like not just one, maybe like a little two too. Like that. Yeah, like two little things right there. And then the eyebrows. The eyebrows, I don't think you have to do it. It's like more of a thing if you really want to, like, but I think you should. I think I'm going to put right here on this eyebrow because I'm not just choosing this eye. Pick on this eye, but because if this is where it's gonna be, like, I'm gonna put some blood right there. And I'm gonna darken some with. I'm gonna get my. Where is it? I'm gonna get my thinner one, and I'm going to get a black, but like not. And I'm going to like kind of darken it. Darken the area. So you can see that. And now I kind of look like I just got beaten up. Obviously now, it's no, I didn't get beaten up. But I think I just got beaten up. Peace, and I hope you like and subscribe. And yeah.